All right. The AC compressor disassembled. So this is the shaft with the uneven piece on it. Washers, little rollers. That's the bottom part of it. Well, the back side. This is the front side. Same. Here are these guys. That go on this. They grip like this, and then as it spins, these suckers will bob up and down inside here, up, down, and of course it goes in sync when it rotates. They just go whoop, 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 whoop. Anyways, so if this looks a little weird to you, this is basically what happens when once they go back on, they fall back in place. Just remember the flat side goes out, the round side goes on the inside. The inside of this. See? This is the back side of it. This is the gasket parts. Here's another metal part to it, a plate. Where the letters go facing out. This is the rear 3. The other one says F2 for the front. And here's the other part of the gaskets. That's the back plate. This guy goes like that. Of course, just to line it. And then this little sucker also comes off. Little screws. Well, look, I took it apart. Everything seemed fine. There was like no binding, no nothing. No wear and tear on the inside. Everything was all nice and lubricated, I guess. So it was this guy, the coil and everything. You can see this shit was kind of worn the hell out. This guy's definitely worn out. This guy I could smell this one sometimes. It would smell burnt. Look at that. Yeah. Somehow it was when it engaged. I don't know if there was not enough space anymore. And this backside would rub like that. Let me try to get it in focus. Yeah. So this is the backside inside. So this is what was rubbing. Like I said, I'm not sure if there's something missing in between that and the thing. So once it engaged, it pushed it in with the clutch, and it would rub because the bearing itself, when I spin this, I don't hear anything. I don't hear. I can't spin it too fast with this hand like this. I'm trying to show you. But yeah, there's no binding on this. So it was just his backside. So it was a clutch and this sucker. You could even see how some of the stuff with that gunk was getting burned out or whatever. So I'll probably just replace that part. I mean, I already put a new one in my van already, and I swapped out my condenser as well because it was already beat up, even though it had no leak or leaks in it. Everything's put back on the van. I just got to take it to go get vacuumed. Actually, I was trying to do the vacuum, but this guy right here, the threads, this is a smaller size, and the hose for the damn what do you call it, for the AC I can't even think right now, for these guys. The name will come back right now, I'm not sure. Doesn't fit on here, so I gotta find another fitting so it could fit close to it, so I can vacuum the system and then take it to get recharged, or recharge it myself. But I might just have them vacuum it and recharge it. But yeah, this is the front side. Here's another little gasket, metal gasket as well, as you can see. Just showing you. Bearings in there, little long bearings. Same plate. The front and back, all, like I said, it's all the same thing. Like that and that. And this is basically the middle section of it. Well, it is the middle. That and this guy. Yeah. So it would go like that. And everything goes in between. That's the front. And it also has like a rubber or plastic. Kind of feels rubbery. I'm not trying to pop this out or nothing, but I swear, I guess so you could seal so nothing goes out. I didn't notice that little hole. I guess it travels through. Oh yeah, look. Okay, so that little hole right there, it goes up and it comes out from right there. Is there another one? Oh, there is. There's another one. The bottom side, or the right side actually. So this is the right side, and the upper part is the left side, because it goes like this. So that's cool. That's where all the fluid goes through, I guess. The oil. So this is the very first time I've ever attempted this. Taking it apart. You know, first time I swapped out a AC compressor and condenser. I'm not a mechanic, but I'm mechanically inclined. Like working with my hands. And everything that I've done to my van, I've done it for a reason, and it's still up and running. It's a 2003 Honda Odyssey. Runs like a champ. Did the timing on it. Water pump. Did the valve stem seals on that. There's a video of it on my channel that I did. It's a very small, short video. I took it all apart. Replaced a lot of gaskets, head gaskets. Cleaned out the solenoids, the shift solenoids, through the little filters and everything as well. You know, put it all back together, and that van's still running. It saved his life. My wife wanted to junk it because it was blowing out white smoke. But I took it upon myself to fix it. And this compressor, like I said, I'll probably just fix this, replace it, and then keep this as a backup, I guess. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to put it back together. Thank you for watching.